All right. I'm live now, so um, I'm not sure if anyone has heard about it, but apparently there's a school in Toronto that's been shut down because of a COVID outbreak. So I'm gonna try and pull up an article right now. Um, okay, so the article it's from the Toronto Star. So it says Toronto Public Health shuts down entire high school for the first time this school year over a COVID-19 outbreak. So now I scroll down and it says, for the first time this school year, an entire high school in Etobicoke has been shut down by Toronto Public Health following a COVID-19 outbreak. All students at Silverthorne Collegiate Institute on Mill Road have been dismissed from in-person classes and activities, the health unit announced Monday night. This means the entire school will learn remotely for the time being, according to the Toronto District School Board. A school dismissal is tough in the best of times, said Ward 10 Councillor Joe Cressy, who is also the chair of the Toronto Board of Health. Nearly 19 months into this pandemic, and after all the ups and downs parents and students have been through, it's an extremely hard decision, he said. While Toronto has become a world leader in jab rates, this dismissal further demonstrates that we're not out of the woods yet. Public Health is recommending the whole school be tested. They will be following up with close contacts as they continue to investigate the outbreak. The dismissal, the first whole school, one for the current school year, may last 10 days but could also vary depending on the length of the investigation, according to a Toronto Public Health spokesperson. Although the unit announced the closure Monday, they initially tweeted about identifying two or more cases linked within Silverthorne last Thursday. An outbreak is declared in a school if there are two or more lab confirmed cases of the virus within a 14-day period. There were 21 active school outbreaks and 30 active investigations in 122 school settings as of October 8th, according to Toronto Public Health. Toronto Public Health is also encouraging um, is also in, Toronto Public Health is also encouraging um, to get is also encouraging jobs for the entire school community, including family members of students, if they have not already been fully jabbed with 2 doses of the COVID 19 jab, the agency said. Cressy echoed this recommendation. We must continue with our relentless jab campaign and maintain a cautious and proactive approach to congregate settings like schools. TDSP spokesperson Ryan Bird said the board TDSP spokesperson Ryan Bird said the board is working closely with Toronto Public Health and helping in any way we can. He added he added there were 11 confirmed cases among students as of Monday night, with 4 of them expected to be considered resolved by Tuesday. Although Ontario is planning to roll out COVID-19 rapid tests to certain hotspots for unjabbed children, The lengths parents and schools have had to go through to help protect students from the virus have already come into question. COVID 19 activity in the school setting is not unexpected, given that the virus continues to circulate in Toronto and how transmissible Delta variant is, Toronto Public Health said. To track if there are COVID 19 cases at your child's school, use the STARS tool to search Ontario schools by name and keep up to date with case counts. So that's the end of the article. And so this article, so, so this article talks about how Toronto Public Health basically shut down an entire school because of a COVID-19 outbreak. It so I don't think this is like the end of it. I think I think there's gonna be like more shutdowns of the schools. So it's it's gonna feel like a repeat of last year. So where they're gonna make the kids go onto online learning. So yeah, I think like they're gonna shut down like more schools. Like this isn't gonna be the only school they shut down. So I think Toronto Public Health they're gonna start announcing like more shutdowns of the schools because of these like outbreaks. So I think like I don't think this is gonna be the only school that they'll shut down. I think that they'll like shut down like more schools as well if they think like there's a COVID outbreak or if there's like a lot of like cases. So um, yeah. So yeah, I'm sure like there's gonna be more like shutdowns happening of the schools. So I guess stay tuned for more and yeah, that's everything I want to share, and I'll be signing off.